Hello, 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 YouTube fellas. Hello, YouTube family. Can you guys hear me now? The Crypto Network. Thank you for the likes. No good. Son of a thingy. You can hear on the YouTube, Christian? Oh, thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Christian, for the confirmation. Hey, YouTube family. Hey, YT family, as well as the family here on TikTok, guys. Thank you so much for joining the live. Today is the January 16, 2024. We are doing the future tradings. What you are seeing on the YouTube is the screen where I have my live account, um, and on the TikTok is basically my PA account from the Apex. So the trades are based on the process, nothing else with the confirmation. Um, Okay, so whoever wants to see anything about the stocks, whoever wants to know about any stocks, you guys can come here on the TikTok or send a message on the YouTube, and then I will provide you guys the answers on that as well. We'll be happy to assist any information you guys are looking for. All right, let's see if this is working as well, guys. Future goal. Thank you. Okay, I got you, Morgan. Is it working now? Perfectly fine. Christian, thank you. Bill, uh, is it loud or is it good enough loud? Guys, I really appreciate everybody on the YouTube as well. So thank you so much for joining on the YouTube, guys, and thank you for joining on TikTok. So let's make this as the daily process now, as the TikTok is working as well as the YouTube is working now. So the targets for the NQ, they just converted the whole thing as the trend upside. If you guys look at the chart as well, right, as I said, this is the madness which I was actually looking for. So 48.30 would be the target for to achieve. 48, like if they're not breaking, I'm sure what we are seeing right now is market makers playing around, but I would expect them to break that and go at the 48.20 to 48.23 level. That would be the first of my rejection zone, uh, and then we can see how it's gonna be acting on it. Right, well, Christian will take care of that. Absolutely, I will not take care of that. Future Gold, thank you, brother. Christian, thank you for all the information as well. We appreciate it. Bill Plaza, thank you, my friend. Well, we are doing good so far. So, how's everybody else doing here on the TikTok? TikTok much louder than the YouTube. I will have to deal with this madness for sure. I have the TikTok 100% full, but somehow it's acting it. So we'll have to check it out. It's all in the decibel, and it's all is fine. Okay, I'm gonna ask you guys one question. Okay, one by one. I'm gonna disable one by one on the mute side. Uh, YouTube, let me know if you guys can hear still or not. Okay. Disabling one. Can you guys still hear me? Small wheel noise is loud. Okay, I got you. You guys can hear me still on the YouTube, right? I'm just making sure which particular mic is causing this issue because I have multiple mics on that. I, I can hear. Okay, thank you, brother. So we are good on that. Let me disable this as well, and then lock it. Can you hear me now? Just a bit of noise. Yeah, I'm working on that. So you can still hear me? I think it's because of the echo from the mic. So I'm trying to figure out which mic is properly set instead of having multiple mics. This can we go? I know that this is the AUX one. This can we go? How is this now, guys? On the YouTube, looking well, looking good now. Other that, other that you are good to go. All right, perfect. Sounds good. Same. Okay, got you. So now I have only one mic properly uh, properly set up. Let me remove that others as well, so we will see if it is reacting it correctly or not. Andrew, how are you? Try using your headset. I am on my headset, my man. I am on my headset. That is the. I'm gonna disable a couple of the mics because there is four audio channels which is going out for me. So I'm gonna disable most of them. I'm gonna keep only one desktop and then one auxiliary out. On the default side, nothing else. Now you guys should be okay. How is this now? Is it clear now on the YouTube? Or we are good? Andrew, how are you, my friend? So they are not able to break the 4815. I'm surprised why they're not able to break in 4815. But again, taking a position right now, it's gonna be a gamble. So would like to take a step back and understand the market before we'll take a position. Okay. How's everybody else doing, guys? Ah, it's very bad location to take trades, guys. Okay, I'll be very frank with you. Okay, so I'm gonna tell one thing, guys. Whoever is here on the TikTok, they are seeing my Apex PA account, but whoever is on the YouTube live, they are looking at my live account trades there. Okay, and that has more information, and you're gonna see me proper retracing it, testing it, and then we will go on it. My live account is on the YouTube where the trades are happening, where I will take the trades. But on my TikTok, it's going to be the PA Apex account. So if you guys wanna join the live YouTube, let me know. I will share the YouTube information as well. Or if not, then my YouTube information is already there on the uh, TikTok as well. So you guys can join there. If not, we are we are live on both the platforms. Guys, thank you for all the news BA. I believe it was only a trade perspective. Now, there's no particularly news on the BA, right? There was nothing going on. It's because of the market was running, right? It'll be back. It'll be back. I have to pick up. Absolutely, my friend. Go for it. That is more important, my brother. How many of us thinking that we're gonna go further to the upside? I don't think we're gonna go further up here because I still see a fighting which is right here. So not breaking this 15 is a disaster zone. Um, that's what now my main concern is. So if I'm going on the 60 minute, the 60 minute is also on, there you go. That's where the problem is. This is where the 200 and the 60 minute, that's an hourly chart, and 200 is right there at 41.16, 41, 48, 14.66. So we have a fight right here. But I would not going to take a short. But the people who already have a 48.05, you know, whoever took the 48.05 long, be prepared to take some profit out and get out from there. Just FYI, guys. I didn't took the trade on the 48.05. I had the short which I covered it up, but nothing for now. S&P recovered all the way from where it was to the upside. Dow Jones has not recovered yet. Dow Jones is still minus 0.34. S&P is still minus 0.08, but Nasdaq did came a positive 23.70, 24 point. That means point 16. Is it a trading view? This is not a trading view. This is the Ninja Trader, and then there is on the YouTube. It's a trading view, which is right here. I think back to 40% possibly, but it's it's fighting here. So 4807 level will be um, and it could be 4807 level because that's where the VWAP one is sitting. But on top of it, I want to see how it's so 1 hour chart is taking 200 EMF. Okay, I'm so tempted to go short. Me too. Me too. I want to short it as well because look at this, right? They have rejected this zone one time, two time, three time, like so many times they have rejected it multiple times, right? So definitely it shows you a stand to go further down. 17. So if it is week to week, I would expect them to retest somewhere in the 17,040 level, right? Because that would be the appropriate rejection zone, right? One, two, three, four, right? This is the small rejection all the way to that, but it didn't complete. So I would expect them to retrace all the way to that level for the short again. But this retracement, right? If you have taken this particular long with this ES process, you would have made easily 700 to $1,000 on a one NQ contract and an ES contract with the $500 very easily. Just keeping it simple is very important. Keeping it simple was very important for me. So I kept my process very simple, very easy, and so far working out very nice. Ain't gonna complain. There you go. This is exactly what the sun. It's supposed to be up here level, right? Because of that week, but they are rejecting this level now. What indicator do you use for the ninja? What indicator? Uh, you, what's the real candle on the spot? 17 17. I don't think 17 is coming for sure. I, I'm not sure where you're coming from. Uh, there is only three indicators usually I have. One is the EMA, second is the FVG, and then third is the VWAP. If you know these three indicators set up properly, you are good to go, Angel. If not, then I would like them to, I would like you to take a time to review it and then go from there. Looks like that the short trigger is so they did trigger, but now look at this, right? This is the 200 EMA. So if this is supporting it here, this might bounce back up very very strong. But yes, that shot was very nice. It would have been an amazing nice shot. Saul FS, thank you for the follow. It's a line to line rejection. This is going to be now interesting. That's a little bit interesting adjustment, right? From 17,000, I always miss a good trades. Nah, don't worry. Remember, this is basically just to capture all the shots, right? This is all the captures, all the shots, right? Like the way this has came down, just to retest the 200 EMA, right? It's just to show you like, hey, I have a stand to go further on the upside. So if I'm looking at this correctly, I would at least bring this market or this particular candle again back to the way it was before 70,040 level. So my expectation is, you know, they they captured everybody here, but at least I want them to retest to the 17,040 level. If that happens,